बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैंने मेरे चैनल के जो लोग व्यूअर्स हैं उनको मेरे चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी। मेरा मल्टी एजुकेशनल चैनल है और उसके अलावा इसमें स्पेसिफिकली जुडिशरी के हवाले से एक अलग से फोल्डर आपको मिल जाएगा। CSSPMS के हवाले से अलग से फोल्डर आपको मिल जाएंगे और बहुत सारी चीज़ें इसमें हैं। वासिफ अली वासिफ साहब की भी मैंने एक सीरीज स्टार्ट की हुई है। फिलहाल आज किसी ने मुझे मैसेज करके कहा है कि आप जो है वो जीके के ऊपर भी एक लेक्चर अपलोड करें। तो अभी तक मैं सिर्फ लॉ के ऊपर एमसीक्यूज अपलोड कर रही थी। लॉ के एमसीक्यूज में जैसे कि आपको पता है कि जुडिशरी में ये 2025 में न्यू सिलेबस रिवाइज हुआ है, जिसके मुताबिक अब एमसीक्यूज भी आएंगे लॉ के पेपर में। पहले एमसीक्यूज नहीं होते थे, सिर्फ सब्जेक्टिव होता था, अब ऑब्जेक्टिव भी आ गया है। तो उसमें मैंने लॉ के जितने भी सिलेबस के अंदर सिविल जज के और एएसजे के सिलेबस में लॉ के सब्जेक्ट्स हैं उन सब के एमसीक्यूज बनाए हुए हैं। कुछ मैं अपलोड कर चुकी हूँ, कुछ कर दूंगी इंशाल्लाह। तो आज किसी ने मुझे कमेंट करके मैसेज करके बल्कि व्हाट्सएप पे कहा है कि आप इसके ऊपर जीके के ऊपर भी कोई लेक्चर अपलोड करें। तो जीके के ऊपर बहुत मेहनत की ज़रूरत है। अभी फ़िलहाल मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं था कि मैं उसके ऊपर खुद से नोट्स बनाऊं, तो इसलिए मैंने ये किसी के बने बनाए नोट्स लिए। अब आई डोंट नो ये किसके हैं, कौन सा है ये, तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि पहले वो ये बताना ज़रूरी है क्योंकि वो पायरेसी का भी इशू होता है ना। तो ये कॉपीराइट जो है वो तब क्लेम किए जा सकते हैं जब आप किसी की बनाई हुई चीज़ को अपनी चीज़ कह दें। तो फिर इसको ये आईपीओ अगर आप पढ़े ना तो इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी ऑर्डिनेंस भी है एक अलग से। तो मैं ये मेरे नोट्स नहीं है, जो मेरे एमसीक्यूज हैं लॉ वाले वो मैंने खुद बनाए हुए हैं। ये जीके वाले मेरे नहीं है, किसी और के बनाए हुए हैं। तो बहरहाल जिसके भी बनाए हुए हैं थैंक्स टू हिम। और इसमें जो है कंटेंट्स इस बुक के में काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें, इसमें इस्लामियत है कंप्लीट। आज के लेक्चर में मैं कंप्लीट इस्लामियत को करने की कोशिश करूंगी। मजीद जो है फर्दर लेक्चर में जैसे इसमें पाकिस्तान स्टडी है, हिस्ट्री है उसकी, बेसिक फैक्ट्स है अबाउट पाकिस्तान, फर्स्ट इन पाकिस्तान है, माउंटेन ऑफ पाकिस्तान, फिर कूलेस्ट, हाईएस्ट, लोएस्ट, बिगेस्ट, टॉलेस्ट, स्मॉलेस्ट, ओल्डेस्ट, distinctive names of cities of Pakistan, old and new names of cities of Pakistan, important books of Indo-Pak history। उसके अलावा मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एंड प्रिपेयर्ड जीके क्वेश्चन है इसमें, वर्ड नॉलेज है, इम्पोर्टेंट स्ट्रीट्स हैं, ओशंस हैं, इम्पोर्टेंट माउंटेन्स पासिस हैं, वर्ल्ड रिवर्स हैं, फेमस डेजर्ट्स, फेमस आइलैंड, इंटरनेशनल एयरलाइंस, इम्पोर्टेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड फैक्ट्स, इम्पोर्टेंट जियोग्राफिकल लाइन्स है, नोबल प्राइजेस है, साइंटिस्ट हैं, नॉलेज अबाउट कंप्यूटर है और वेरियस साइंस वाइटामिन नेम्स है। तो ये सारी चीज़ें जो है वो आपके जुडिशरी के सिलेबस में मौजूद है। वो उसमें स्पेसिफिकली उन्होंने मेंशन किया कि इस्लामियत जो कि अब उर्दू के पेपर में आएगी, पहले जीके के पेपर में ही होती थी, तो इस्लामियत के भी एमसीक्यूज तो डेफिनेटली बात है लाजमी ही आएंगे। तो उसके अलावा जो पाकिस्तान अफेयर और जीके है, अब इसमें काफ़ी सारे एमसीक्यूज आपको मिल जाएंगे। तो इस्लामियत का अगर आप ये सिर्फ एक लेक्चर सुन लेते हैं तो आप किसी भी एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं और उसमें आपको इस्लामियत कंपलसरी है तो वो आपका क्लियर हो जाएगा। फिर चाहे वो CSS हो, PMS हो या वन पेपर एमसीक्यूज हो या जुडिशरी हो, एसजे या CJ का। तो चलो जी शुरू करते हैं। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इस्लामियत एमसीक्यूज में अच्छा ये वन लाइनर एमसीक्यूज है, वो मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन नहीं है। तो इससे ये होता है कि कम टाइम में ज़्यादा चीज़ें आपको क्लियर हो जाती है। तो चूंकि इस्लामियत एक्सप्लेनेबल चीज़ कोई है नहीं तो मैं जस्ट रीडिंग करूंगी। और रीडिंग करने का मकसद ये है कि जिन लोगों के पास पढ़ने का टाइम नहीं होता तो वो सिर्फ एक ये वीडियो लगाएं अपने कानों में, ब्लूटूथ हैंड फ्री जो भी आपके पास यूज़ करते हैं वो लगाएं और आप इसको सुनते जाएं। जो भी आप काम कर रहे हैं उसके साथ साथ आप ये सुन सकते हैं। वैसे रीडिंग करने के लिए, पढ़ने के लिए एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम निकालना पड़ता है, जैसे अभी मैं निकाल के बैठी हूँ टाइम स्पेसिफिक। आज ईद का दिन है और उसके बावजूद भी मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ ये। तो खैर शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले जी प्रॉफिट मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है जी, होली प्रॉफिट वाज बोर्न इन 571 AD 22 सेकंड अप्रैल डे मंडे था। फादर्स नेम हजरत अब्दुल्ला, मदर्स नेम हजरत आमना, मैटरनल ग्रैंडफादर्स नेम वाहिब बिन्स अब्दुल मनाफ, maternal grandmother Batra, real name of Abdul Muttalib was Shaba, grandmother name Fatima, 10 is the number of uncles and 6 aunts. Prophet journeyed to Syria with Abu Talib at 12 years. At 25, Prophet married to Hazrat Khatija. Hazrat Khatija accepted Islam first in women and in all. Hazrat Abu Bakr accepted first in men. Hazrat Ali accepted first in children. Warqa bin Nawfal verified prophet for the first time. Holy Prophet had four daughters and three sons. At age of 40, Holy Prophet received first wahi. In 622 AD, Holy Prophet migrated to Medina. Hazrat Halima was the foster mother of the Holy Prophet. Besides Hazrat Halima, Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said that Ayman is also my mother. Besides Hazrat Halima, the Holy Prophet, name of the foster mother of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Hazrat Halima Radhiyallahu anha, Hazrat Sobia Radhiyallahu anha, and Hazrat Khola Radhiyallahu anha. How many years after the birth of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Hazrat Amna died? 6 years. Shima was the foster sister of Holy Prophet. Hazrat Halima looked after the Holy Prophet for 4 years. 35 was the age at the time of Hijr Aswad incident. Hazrat Bilal Habshi was the first slave to accept Islam. Wife of Abu Lahab used to spread thorn in the way of Prophet in fourth year of prophethood. Home of Hazrat Arqam Radhiyallahu used as the center of secret preaching by the Holy Prophet. In 7th Nabwi boycott of Banu Hashim began. Hazrat Adam met with the Holy Prophet on the first heaven, Hazrat Isa and Hazrat Yahya on second heaven, Hazrat Yaqub on third, Hazrat Idris on fourth, Hazrat Harun on fifth, Hazrat Musa on sixth, Hazrat Ibrahim on seventh. Al-Kaswa is the name of camel on which Prophet travelled. Prophet purchased mosque land at Medina from two orphans, Shail and Suhail. Charter of Medina was issued on 1 Hijri. It had 57 articles. Transfer of Qibla was ordered in 2nd AH 18th month. अच्छा जी नेक्स्ट है 27 total number of ghazwas. First ghazwa of Islam was Vidan Abwa, fought in 12th month of Hijrah, first Hijrah. Jang Badr occurred in 2 Hijri. 313 Muslims fought in battle. Number of hadiths collected by Abu Huraira रज़ियल्लाहु अन्हु 5374. अच्छा कोई भी फिगर ज्यादा होना तो उनको याद करने का इजी तरीका ये होता है कि आप इसको 5374 के बजाय 5374 याद कर लें तो उससे माइंड रिटेन करता है और ज्यादा देर तक आपको याद रहते हैं इस तरह के नंबर. नेक्स्ट जी प्रॉफिट हजरत नूह रज़ियल्लाहु अन्हु Nuh alayhi salam, known as Sheikhul Anbiya. Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah was entitled Aminul Ummat. एक सेकंड प्लीज. हाँ जी अच्छा कौन सा मैंने पढ़ा था लास्ट. हजरत उमर proposed अजान for the first time. The dome over the sacred grave of the holy prophet is known as Gumbad-e Khizra. Next है जी बैतुल मामूर is a place where 70,000 angels were circumambulation during the holy ascension. Next है जी बैतुल मामूर is on 7th heaven. 4 kings accepted Islam when Holy Prophet sent them letters. Mosque of Zarar was demolished by Prophet. Hazrat Ali conquered the fort of Camus. Lady named Zainab tried to poison the Holy Prophet. Prophet recited Surah Al-Fatah at the conquest of Makkah. Hashim was grandfather of Prophet and brother of Muttalib. The name Muhammad was proposed by Abdul Muttalib, while the name Ahmad was proposed by Bibi Amna. Migration from Makkah to Abyssinia took place in the 7th month of the 5th year of the mission, i.e. 615 AD. The total number of migrated people was 15, 11 men and 4 women. Second migration to Habsha took place in 616 AD. Second migration to Abyssinia 101 people with 18 females. After Amna's death, Ayman looked after Prophet. After Harb Fijar, Prophet took part in Halful Fuzul. Prophet made second business trip to Syria in 24th year of Elephant. Friend of Khatija, Nafisa carried message of Nikah. Surname of Halima Sadia was Kaptar. Surname of Prophet was Abul Qasim. Diya of Prophet was Shifa, who was mother of Abdul Rahman bin Auf. Abdul Muttalib died in 579 AD. Moyasra, a slave of Khadija, accompanied Prophet to Syria. First foster mother was Sobia, who was mother of Hamza. For 6 years, Halima took care of Prophet. For 2 years, Abdul Muttalib took care of Prophet. After 7 days of Akika ceremony of Prophet was held. Prophet belonged to Banu Hashim clan of Qurayshi tribe. Among uncles Abbas and Hamza embraced Islam. Amna was buried at Rabwa between Makkah and Medina. 6 months before the Prophet's birth, his father died. Prophet had no brother and no sister. Foster father of Prophet was Haris. At the age of 15, Harb Fajar took place. Harb Fajar means war fought in prophethood months, prohibited months. Sorry. Next, the first father-in-law of Prophet was Khalid. Amna belonged to Bani Zuhra tribe. Umar and Hamza accepted Islam in 615 AD, 5th Nabwi. Social boycott of Banu Hashim took place in 7th Nabwi. Shib, Shib means valley. Social boycott continued for 3 years. A group of Medina met Prophet in 11th Nabwi. A god of Uqba took place in 13th Nabwi on 27th Rajab and Nabwi. The event of Miraj took place 10th Nabwi was called Amul Husn, year of grave. Name of the camel on which Prophet was riding in migration was Kaswa. Umar bin Hisham was the original name of Abu Jahl. Abul Hakim is the title of Abu Jahl. Person included in Baitin Uqba Ola 12 and in Baitin Uqba Sani 75. Cave of Hira is 3 miles from Makkah. Hijrah took place in 13th Nabwi. Medina is 338 km from Makkah, 210 miles. Makkah conquest occurred in 8th year of Hijrah. Prophet performed Hajj in 10th Hijrah. Prophet was buried in the Hujra of Aisha. Prophet was born in first year of Elephant. Ambassador sent to Arab and other countries in 7th Hijrah. King of Iran tore away the message of Prophet. King of Byzantine in 7th Hijrah was Hercules. After 6 years of birth of Holy Prophet, Bibi Amna died. After 8 years of birth of Holy Prophet, Abdul Muttalib died. Holy Prophet dismissed at the age of 63. First Azan was called out in 1 Hijri. Bahriya Syrian Christian saint recognized Prophet as last prophet. Harb Fijar was war fought between Quraysh and Bani Hawazin. Prophet was of 15 years and participated in it. Prophet visited Taif in 10th Nabi. Tribe of Taif was Saqif. Prophet with Zaid bin Haris went to Taif and stayed for 10 days. Bibi Amna suckled Prophet for 3 days. After 18th month, Medina of change of Qibla occurred. Old name of Zo Qiblatain is Banu Salim. Sorry. Cave of Hira is in Jabal Noor mountain at Masjid Al Kaf, Mina. Almost 70 prophets are buried. Month of migration was Rabiul Awwal. Qibla nowadays is called Khana Kaaba. Prophet addressed Khutbah Jummah for first time in first Hijrah. Year of deputation is 9th Hijrah. अच्छा जी नेक्स्ट है मुआखात द ब्रदरहुड टुक प्लेस इन सेकंड हिजरा jihad was allowed in second hijra ashab sahab muhajirs who stayed near masjid nabawi huraira means a cat Badr is one took place in 6th hijri Jewish tribe of Banu Nazir expelled from Mina in 4th hijri Badr is one is also known as Bait Shajara made under Kicker tree. Companions of Prophet at Hudaybiyah were 1400. Prophet stayed at Mecca for 15 days after its conquest. 1 lakh companions accompanied Prophet at last Hajj. Prophet spent his last days in Aisha's house. Cave of Sor is located near Mecca, 5 miles. Kuba is 3 miles away from Medina. In 6th year of Hijrah, Prophet intended for Umrah. Prophet stayed in Ayyub Ansari's house for 7 months. Prophet performed Umrah in 7th Hijri. Zayd bin Haris was the adopted son of the Holy Prophet. Year 570 known as Year of Element on Amal Fil. Hazrat Khatija and Hazrat Abu Talib died in 619. First place from where Prophet only started his preaching, Jabal Faran or Mount Safa. Prophet did covert messaging at House of Arkham up to 3 Nabbi, i.e. for 3 years. Prophet preached openly in 4th Nabbi. Prophet narrated the event of Miraj, first of all Ummehani, real sister of Ali. Prophet was staying at the house of Ummehani on the night of Miraj. In Miraj, Prophet traveled from Baitul Muqaddas to Sidratul Muntaha. During Hijrat, Sarka bin Sajjal spied. In Miraj, Jibrail called Azan in Baitul Muqaddas. Prophet led all the prophets in a prayer in Miraj at Al Aqsa. Fatima died after 6 months, age 31, 11 Hijri Prophet. Youngest daughter Fatima, Islamic social seal started on 1st Muharram 7 Hijri. Seal of Prophet was made of silver. What was written on the Holy Prophet ﷺ seal? Allah Rasul Muhammad. Prophet performed 1 in 10 Hijri Hajj and 4 in 7 Hijri Umrahs. Change of Qibla occurred on 15 Shaban 2 Hijri Monday during Zohar. Construction of Masjid Nabawi started Rabiul Awwal 1 Hijri. Namaz Jummah became farz in Medina. First man to embrace Islam on the eve of Fatah Makkah was Abu Sufyan. First marriage to Medina. First Muhajir Abu Salam. Last to migrate to Medina was Abbas. First non-Arab to embrace Islam Farwa bin Umr. Face smile of the Prophet Musab bin Umar. अच्छा जी, आगे है कलसूम बिन अल हदम gave land for Quba Mosque. The title of Aminul Ummat is of Ubaidah bin Jarrah, conqueror of Damascus. The day when Prophet delivered his last khutbah was Jummah. Idols in the Kaaba before Islam numbered 360. The largest idol named Hubal. Bilal called first Azan for Fajr prayers. The hadith, which is transmitted with continuity and enjoys such audience of narrators that their statement becomes authentic, is called mutawatir. The grave of Prophet was prepared by Hazrat Abu Talha. Qasim was first of the Holy Prophet's children to be born. The first namaz-e-janaza performed by Rasulullah was that of Asad bin Zarara Razillah anhu. The first namaz to be made farz was Tahajjud namaz, which was later made nafil at Masjid Nabawi. First Muslim university was established. Holy Prophet labored in the formation of Masjid Quba. Masjid Zarar was built by hypocrites at Medina. 25 doors are in Masjid Haram. The most important door of Kaaba is Babul Salam. The flag color of the Holy Prophet was white and yellow at the time of conquest of Mecca. Friday is known as Sayyid al-Ayyam. Shab-e Barat is celebrated on 5th night of Shaban. The camel driver of Prophet at the fall of Mecca was Usama bin Zaid bin Haris. Prophet issued order of killing Abdul Uzza bin Khatal at the fall of Makkah. At Kohe Safa, Prophet addressed after conquest of Makkah. Next है जी उम्मुल मोमिनीन के बारे में. उम्मतुल मोमिनीन is called the two wives of Holy Prophet. Zainab bint Khuzaima is known as Ummul Musakin. Abu Bakr gave the collection of Quran to Hazrat Hafsa. Khadija died on the 10th of Ramzan, 10th Nabi. Khadija was buried in Hujun above Makkah in the cottage of Hazrat Aisha. Prophet spent his last days. Khadija died at 65 years age. Last wife of Prophet Maimuna. Khadija belonged to the tribe of Banu Asad. First woman to lead an Islamic army, Aisha Jange Jamal. Aisha narrated maximum number of hadiths. The second wife named Soda, Zainab bint Jash Surah Ahzab was married to Prophet though Allah's revelation or will. Through Allah's revelation or will. Daughter of Umar who married to Prophet was Hafsa. Hazrat Khatija was the first person to read namaz amongst the Ummah of Prophet. Salma was alive at Karbala tragedy. She was the last of the wives of Prophet to die. Ummul Mu'minin Habiba was daughter of Abu Sufyan. Ummul Mu'minin Habiba migrated to Abyssinia and Medina as well. Ummul Mu'minin Hazrat Hafsa was progeny of Hazrat Harun. Next है जी Hazrat Maria Qibtiya gave birth to Hazrat Ibrahim, son of Prophet. Hazrat Khadija was buried at Jannat-e-Mola in Makkah. Najashi was the king through which Prophet married to Habiba. The Ummul Mu'mineen Juwayriyah's actual name was Bara. Hazrat Khadija received salutation from Allah. The third wife of Prophet was Hazrat Aisha. So the said about Aisha, my soul might be in her body. Hazrat Khadija was the only Ummul Mu'minin who was not buried in Jannatul Baqi. Prophet not offered funeral prayer of Khadija due to Allah's will. Aisha is called Al-Tayyibin. Hazrat Ruqayya died on the day of victory of Battle of Badr. She was the wife of Usman. After Ruqayya's death, Kulsum married Usman. Qasim was born in 11 years before prophethood. Hassan is known as Shabbar, which means handsome. For 14 months, Hassan remained Khalifa. Hassan is buried at Jannatul Baqi. Eldest son of Prophet Qasim, third son-in-law of Prophet was Abul As. Hazrat Asad died first among the Sahaba. Hamza and Hussein are known as the leader of martyrs. Hazrat Usman bin Talha was the key holder of Kaaba. Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqas conquered Persia firstly. Kabila bin Qais is known as cup bearer of Zamzam. Abbas was instrumental in bringing Abu Sufyan in Islam. Periods of caliphs. आगे जी पीरियड्स ऑफ कैलिफ शुरू हो जाते हैं अबू बकर का हजरत अबू बकर का पीरियड ऑफ कैलिफेट 6322 634 यानी कि 2 साल हजरत उमर रजी अल्लाह तआला अन्हु 6342 644 यानी कि 10 साल हजरत उस्मान रजी अल्लाह तआला अन्हु 6442 656 कितना बनते हैं 44 12 ईयर्स बनते हैं तकरीबन हजरत अली रजी अल्लाह तआला अन्हु 6562 661 यानी कि 5 साल तकरीबन अबू बकर 2 ईयर 3 मंथ हजरत उमर 10 ईयर 5 मंथ 21 डेज हजरत उस्मान 12 ईयर्स हजरत अली 4 ईयर्स 9 मंथ हजरत अबू बकर was a merchant of cloth. Real name of Hazrat Abu Bakr was Abdullah before Islam. Abul Kaaba apostasy movement took place in the Khilafat of Abu Bakr. Hazrat Abu Bakr died in 22nd of Jamaadul Sani 13 Hijri. Abul Firoz the slave martyred Hazrat Umar Farooq. Hazrat Umar Farooq was martyred on 1st Muharram 24 Hijri. Hazrat Umar introduced Hijra calendar. Hazrat Usman is known as Zul Norain because he wedded with 2 daughters of Prophet Ruqayya plus Kulsum. Usman accepted Islam at the instigation of Abu Bakr. Next है जी Asadullah and Hyder Karar were the epithets of Hazrat Ali. Ali married Fatima in 2nd Hijra. Hazrat Ali was born at Khana Kaaba. Hazrat Ali was martyred on 21st Ramzan 40 Hijri. In Ghazwa Uhud, Hazrat Ali was awarded with Zulfikar. Hazrat Umar accepted Islam in 616 AD. Hazrat Umar established the office of Qazi. Hazrat Umar added as Salatu Khairum Minan Nom. Usman migrated to Habsha. Hazrat Usman participated in all battles except Badr. In the reign of Usman, Muawiyah established naval fleet. Only Sahabi without seeing Prophet Awais Karni. Umar levied zakat on horses. Ali lifted zakat on horses. Abu Bakr had knowledge of dreams. Usman added second azan for Friday prayers. Atiq is the title of as Hazrat Abu Bakr. Hazrat Umar established Department of Police. Hazrat Umar formed a parliament, namely Majlis-e-Aam. Ghani was the title of Hazrat Usman Raziallahu anhu. Hazrat Ali has the title the gateway to knowledge. Hazrat Ali is buried at Najaf. Amr bin As embraced Islam in 7th Hijrah. Khalid bin Walid embraced Islam in 7th Hijrah. First Muazzin of Islam, Hazrat Bilal. The home of Hazrat Abu Ayyub Ansari was the first place where the Prophet stayed in Medina Sharif. Next, the first person sent to spread Islam under the instructions of Holy Prophet was Musab bin Umair, who was sent to Medina. आगे जी the first person to make इत्तिहाद was Abu Bakr Siddiq. Hazrat Abu Zar Ghafari is known as the first Darwish. Abdullah ibn Mazum, first person buried in Jannatul Baqi. Hazrat Umar was the first person to perform Janazah Salat in Jamaat with four takbirs. First census of Islamic world in Umar's period. The first person to become murtad out of the folds of Islam was either Muqis bin Khubaba or Ubaidullah Ubaidullah bin Jahash. Salahuddin Ayyubi conquered Baitul Muqaddas. Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani is buried at Baghdad. Shah Jahan Mosque is at Thatta. Jibril will first person questioned on the day of Qiyamah. From amongst the animals, the first animal to be brought back to life will be the Burak of Prophet Muhammad. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The first ibadat on the earth was Tawbah, repentance. The first Mujaddid of Islam is Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz. अच्छा जी नेक्स्ट है फर्स्ट बुक ऑफ हदीस compiled was Mota by Imam Malik. Mosque of Prophet was damaged due to fire in the reign of Mutasim Billah. Jamia Mosque of Damascus was built by Walid bin Malik. आगे है जी शाहीन is Imam Malik Mota. Mohid bin Ismail Bukhari comprised of 4,000 hadiths. Bukhari Sharif and Muslim Sharif are called Sahihain. Imam Tirmizi was a student of Abu Dawud. Kitabul Khiraj was written by Imam Abu Yusuf. Mahmud Ghaznavi, called kidnapper of scholars, Maulana Nizamuddin founded the school of Darse Nizami. Baki Billah revolted against Abu Akbar's Deen Ilahi firstly. Sheikh Ahmad Sirhindi was given the title of Masjid Al-Sani by Maulana Abdul Hakim. Baba Farid Gan Shakar married through the daughter of Balban. आगे है जी अल कुरान से एमसीक्यूज अल कुरान एमसीक्यूज कलमा तैयबा इज मेंशन्ड इन द कुरान फॉर 2 times. द वर्ड कुरान मींस रेड 114 total number of surah means city of refuge 86 Makki surah 28 Madani surah 558 rukus. Al-Baqarah is the longest surah. Al-Kawthar is the shortest surah. Al-Nas is the last surah. 14 bows are in the Quran. First bow occurs in 9th para, i.e. Al-Inam surah. Al-Fatiha is the preface of the Holy Quran. 5 verses were revealed in the first Wahi. Namaz commanded in Quran for 700 times. Al-Mudassir second revealed surah. Al-Muzammil third revealed surah. Al-Tawbah does not start with Bismillah. Al-Naml contains 2 Bismillah. 3 surah starts with curse. Tetra 6 is the number of ayats. 29 total number of Muqatta'at. Hazrat Usman was the first Hafiz of the Holy Quran. Hazrat Khalid bin Said was the first writer of Wahi. 12 ghazwas described in the Holy Quran, total 27. Abdullah bin Abbas, the first commentator of the Holy Quran and also known as interpreter of the Quran. In Surah As-Saf, the Holy Prophet is addressed as Ahmad. Ghar Sur is mentioned in Surah Al-Tawbah. आगे है जी 5 surahs start with the Kul. Hazrat Usman proposed the compilation of Holy Quran. Al-Nasr is known as Surah with the Abdul Malik Marwan applied the dots in the Holy Quran. Hajjaj bin Yusuf applied critical points in Quran. 37 total number of surah in last para. Al-Baqarah and Surah An-Nisa is prepared over 3 paras. Al-Falaq and Al-Nas revealed at the same time. City of Rome is mentioned in the Holy Quran. Surah Yasin is known as Heart of Quran. Surah Rahman is known as Beauty of Quran. First revealed surah was Al-Alaq 96 in arrangement. Complete revelation in 23 years. Subject of Holy Quran is human. Risalat means to convey message. 26 prophets mentioned in the Holy Quran. Holy Quran consists of 105684 words and 323670 letters. Longest ayats of the Holy Quran is Ayatul Kursi. 6 surahs start with the name of Prophet. Surah Maryam, holy revealed for a woman in Bani Israel, and Al-Najf, the event of Miraj, is explained. Last revelation descendant on 3rd Rabiul Awwal, and it was written by Abi bin Kab. Language of divine books: Torah, Hebrew, Injil, Syriac, Zabur, Syriac, Holy Quran Arabic. Torah was first revealed book. Holy Quran was revealed in 22 years, 5 month, 14 days. There are 7 stages in the Holy Quran. Abdullah ibn Abbas is called as leader of commentators. Apollo 15 placed the copy of Holy Quran on the moon. Tarjuma al-Quran is written by Abdul Kalam Azad. First Muslim interpreter of the Quran in English is Khalifa Abdul Hakim. Shah Waliullah translated the Holy Quran in Persian and Shah Rafiuddin in Urdu in 1776. Next is Hazrat Hafiz Lakhvi translated Holy Quran in Punjabi. Surah Alaq was revealed in 18th Ramzan. Number of ayats in Bakr is 286. Longest Makki surah is Araf. Second longest surah is Ashra Al Imran. Surah Kausar has 3 ayats. First surah compilation wise is Surah Fatiha. Fatiha means opening. अच्छा जी, आगे है Fatiha contains 7 ayats. Fatiha is also called Ummul Kitab. First surah revealed in Medina was Surah Fatiha. Surah Fatiha revealed twice in Makkah and Medina. Angels mentioned in Quran are 7. Meaning of ayat is sign. Stone mentioned in Quran is ruby, yakut. Longest surah Al-Baqarah covers 1/12 of Quran. Madani surahs are generally longer. Madani surahs consist of 1/3 of Quran. Makki surahs consist of 2/3 of Quran. Surah Ikhlas is 1/12 surah of Quran. First complete Madani surah is Baqarah. Names of Quran mentioned in Quran is 55 surahs named after the animals are 4 in number. Namal means ant. Surah Imam means Surah Inam means camel. Surah Nahl means honey bee. Surah Ankabut means spider. The major part of the Quran is revealed at night time. Generally, ayats of Sajda occur in Makki surah. 10 virtues are blessed for recitation of one word of Quran. Surah Anfal means cave. In number 2, Bismillah occur. Second one is ayat number 30. Surah Kahf means the cave. Muzammil means wrapped in garments. Kosar means abundance. Nasr means help. Ikhlas means purity of faith. Falak means dawn. An-Nas means mankind. Al-Alaq means clot of blood. Alam Nashra means expansion. Zukhruf means ornaments. Surah Rahman is in 27 para. Bride of Quran is Rahman Surah. Surah Yasin is 22nd and 23rd para. Present shape of Quran is Tawfiqi. Quran is the greatest miracle of Prophet. Word Surah has occurred in Quran 9 times. First 7 ayats of Quran are called Tawal. The alphabet Alif comes most of the times and Alif Zod alphabet comes least number of times. Alif Duad. Quran is written in prose and poetry. Again, the Quran is also regarded as a manual of science. Surah Alaq is both Makki and Madani. Name of Muhammad is mentioned in the Quran 4 times. Adam is mentioned in Surah Araf. First Sindhi translation of Quran by Akhund Azizullah Halai. Total means Torah means light. Zabur means pieces book written in big letters. Injil means good news. 99 numbers of ayat describe Khatm Nabuwat. Command against Jova and amputation of hands came 18th Hijri. Laws about orphanage revealed in 3 Hijri. Laws about zina revealed in 5 Hijri. Laws about inheritance revealed in 3 Hijri. In 4th Hijri, wine was prohibited. The order of hijab for women revealed in 4th Hijri. Ablution made obligatory in 5th Hijri. In Surah An-Nisa, the commandments of wuzu is present. Procedure of ablution is present in Surah Maida. In 4 Hijri, Tayammum was granted. Interest was prohibited in 8th Hijri during Ghazwa Banu Mustalik. The command of Tayammum was revealed. Quran recited in Medina, firstly in Mosque Nabuzdik. Quran verse abrogating a previous order is called Nasikh. First man to recite Holy Quran in Makkah, Abdullah bin Masud. Form of revelation granted to Prophet. Verse 3 Wahi Kashaf dream. First method of revelation of Quran Wahi. Kashaf means vision. Initially, Quran were preserved in memory from after Umar's death. Copy of Quran was passed to on to Hafsa. Only Shabi mentioned in Quran was Zaid bin Haris, Surah Ahzab. Paradise is mentioned in Quran for 150 times. A section of paradise in which Prophet will dwell. Mahmud. Doors of hell are seven. Subterranean part of hell is Havia. Number of angels of hell 19. Gatekeeper of hell Malik. Gatekeeper of heaven Rizwan. Place of heaven at which people whose good deeds equal bad deeds will be kept in Araf. A tree in hell emerging from its base is Zakun. Name of the mountain of hell is Saud. Heaven on earth was built by Shaddad. The word Islam has been used at 92 places in the Holy Quran. Except the name of Maryam, the name of no other woman has come explicitly in the Holy Quran. Next है जी, Iblis will not be punished with fire but with cold. क्योंकि वो तो फायर से ही बना हुआ है. Iblis refusal to prostrate before man is mentioned in Quran for 9 times. Iblis means disappointed one. Al-Kawthar relates to death of Qasim and Hazrat Abdullah. If a woman marries the second time, she will be in Jannah with second husband. अच्छा जी, हदीस है ये. The the earth and the heaven were created by Allah in 6 days. It is described in Surah Yunus. Zaid bin Sabit collected the Quran in the form of book. Tarjumanul Quran is the called Abdullah bin Abbas in Surah Al-Muzammil. Verse 73. Reading Quran slowly and clearly is ordained. Haji Jibril is referred in Quran as Ruh. Yes, a Ruh. In Quran, Ruhul Qudus is Jibril. It means Holy Spirit. In Quran, Ruhul Amin is Jibril. In charge of provisions is Mikael. The angel who was sent to Prophet as helper against enemies of Allah was Jibril. The angel who sometimes carried Allah's punishment for his disobedience was Jibril. Jibril is mentioned in Quran for 3 times. Old Testament is the Torah, the New Testament is Injil. Psalms is Zabur, Gospel is Injil. Prophet is called Farkalit in Injil. Taharat Sugra is Wudu. There are 2 types of words. Salusul Quran in Surah Ikhlas. Arusul Quran is bride of Quran is Al Rahman, meaning of Bakra, the goat. In Surah Waqiah, the word Al-Quran Al-Hakim is used. Surah Al-Baqarah and Al-Imran are known as Zohrawin. Wine is termed in Quran as Khumar. The first authority for the compilation of hadith is Sahih Bukhari, contains 7397 ahadith. Again, the prophets of Islam, Adam was created on Jummah day. Adam landed in Sri Lanka on Adam's Peak mountain. Adam is a word of Syriani language. Adam had 2 daughters and 3 sons. Kabil killed Habil because he wanted to marry Aklima. The first person to be put into hell will be Kabil. Sheesh was the youngest son of Adam. Age of Adam at his birth was 130 years. Adam walked from India to Mecca and performed 40 Hajj. Agadi Adam knew 100,000 languages. Ruhul Bayan. Abul Bashar is called to Hazrat Adam. Hazrat Adam built first mosque on earth. Height of Adam was 90 feet. Age of Adam at the time of his death 90-50 years. Hazrat Adam's grave is in Saudi Arabia. Second prophet is she is passed away at the age of 9-12 years. 912 साल यानी. No got prophethood at the age of 40 years. Noah's ark was 400 by 100 yards area. Ark of Noah stopped at Jodi mountain, Turkey. Noah preached for 950 years. Nation of Noah worshipped 5 idols. Nation of Noah was exterminated through the flood. Pigeon was sent for the search of land by Hazrat Noah. Noah was sent to Iraq. Double two for 2 years after Adam Tufan occurred. About 80 people were with him in the boat. Duration of storm of Noah was 6 months. Noah lived for 950 years. Noah is called predecessor Najiullah Sheikhul Anbiya. Abul Bashar Sani is the title of Noah after Tufan and Noah. The city established was Khasran. Ibrahim was thrown into the fire by the Order of Namrud. Hazrat Ibrahim intended to sacrifice Ismail at Mina. Ibrahim was born at Amir near Euphrates, Iraq. Ibrahim was firstly ordered to migrate to Palestine. First wife of Ibrahim was Sarah. Second wife of Ibrahim was Hajra. Azab of mosquitoes was sent to the nation of Ibrahim. Ibrahim is called Khalilullah, father of prophets and idol destroyer. Age of Ibrahim at the time of his death 175 years. Ibrahim is buried at Hebron in Jerusalem. Ibrahim wanted to comb. Hazrat Lut was contemporary of Hazrat Ibrahim. Ibrahim remained in fire 40 days. Terah of Azar was the father of Ibrahim. Grave of Lut is in Iraq. Lut died at Palestine and is buried at Hebron. Ibrahim was the uncle of Lut. Lut was maternal grandfather of Ayub. Lut resided at Ur near Mesopotamia. Ismail is called Abul Arab. अच्छा जी आगे है मदर ऑफ इस्माइल वाज हाजरा इसहाक built boundaries of Masjid Aqsa. Ishaq was sent to Jews at Maqam Ibrahim. There are imprints of Ibrahim. Ibrahim was the first person to circumcise himself and his son. Ibrahim Hajra, the wife of Ibrahim, was daughter of Pharaoh of Egypt. Ibrahim was the 86 years old when Ismail was born. Ibrahim was ordered to migrate along with family to Valley of Batha, meaning Makkah. Ibrahim was sent to Jordan for after leaving Hajra and Ismail. Age of Ibrahim at the birth of Ishaq was 100 years and of Sarah was 19 years. 90 years. The first wife of Ibrahim resided at Palestine. Ibrahim intended to sacrifice Ismail at Mina on 10th Zulhaj. As a result of sacrifice of Ismail, Ibrahim was gifted a baby from Sarah named Ishaq. Zamzam emerged from beneath the foot of Hazrat Ismail in the valley of Batha, Makkah. Hazrat Ismail discovered Hajr Aswad. Zabiullah and Abul Arab are called to Hazrat Ismail. Ismail divorced his wife, being discourteous. Jibril brought sacred stone to Ismail. Original color of the sacred stone was white. Hazrat Idris was expert in astronomy. Uzair became alive after remaining dead for 100 years. Hazrat Yaqub has the title of Israel. 1,24,000 total number of prophets. Hazrat Idris was the first who learned to write. How many Sahifa was revealed to Hazrat Idris? 30. Prophet Yahya was sent to people of Jordan. Hazrat Idris set up 180 cities. Hazrat Daud could mold iron easily with his hand. The event of ring is related to Hazrat Suleiman. Hazrat Musa had impediment in his tongue. Musa was granted 9 miracles. Musa crossed the Red Sea. The Prophet mentioned in the Quran for most of times is Musa. 10 commandments were revealed on Musa. Musa died on Ibrahim mountain. Grave of Musa is in Israel. Teacher of Musa was Shuaib. Musa was brought up by Asiya bint Muazzam. Elder brother of Musa was Harun. Musa had only one brother. In Tuba Valley, Musa was granted prophethood and Egyptian was killed by Musa Harun. Musa Harun was an eloquent speaker. अच्छा जी आगे है Harun is buried at Ohad. Harun and Musa were both were prophets and contemporaries. Hazrat Ayub was famous for his patience. The miracle of dromedary camel is concerned with Saleh. Four prophets were sent to Bani Israel. 722 languages were understood by Hazrat Idris. Hazrat Saleh invented soap. Kaluri hill from where Isa was lifted alive. Zikriya was a carpenter. Hazrat Zikriya was cut with the saw. Adam and Daud are addressed as Khalifa in Quran. Suleiman and Daud understood language of the birds. The tree of date palm grew on the earth for the first time. Prophet attached with the profession of weaving are Adam, Idris and Shiz. Hazrat Yunus was eaten by shark. Yunus prayed La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minaz zalimin in the belly of fish. Grave of Daud is in Israel. Yahya's tomb is in Damascus. Bilal Habshi is buried in Damascus. Prophet with the melodious voice Daud. Alive prophets are Isa and Khizr, Zunun, Lord of Fish, and Sahibul Hud, Yunus. The prophet whose people were last to suffer divine punishment, Saleh Suleiman, died while standing with the support of a stick. Ashab-e Kahf slept for 309 years. The number of Ashab-e Kahf was 7. Hazrat Isa Islam was a carpenter by profession. Besides Isa, Yahya also got prophethood in childhood. Bethlehem is the birthplace of Hazrat Isa, is situated in Jerusalem. Isa would cure the victims of leprosy. Zachariah was contemporary of Isa. Isa was the cousin of Yahya. Roman's kingdom was established in Palestine at Isa's birth. Roman were athletes. Ruler of Palestine at the birth of Isa was Herod. Maryam grew up in the house of Zachariah. Beside Isa, Adam was also a fatherless prophet. Isa born at Bethlehem. Yahya was the precursor of Isa. Yahya is buried at Syria. Our prophet has the title Habibullah. Prophet Daud has the title Najibullah. Prophet Jesus Christ is called Ruhullah. अच्छा जी आगे है Tur Sina was the mountain where Hazrat Musa received Allah's message. Hazrat Musa was Kalimullah. Science, astronomy, writing with pen, string, and weapons were made by Idris. First of all, As'ad was the nation of Hud. After 7 days continuous rain and storm, the nation of Hud destroyed. Nation of Samud was preached by Saleh. Miracle of pregnant female camel was sent to Samud. 3 Sahife were revealed to Ibrahim. Israel was the son of Ishaq. Israel was 147 years old when Ishaq died. Mountains would break by the miracle of Yaqub. Musa married the daughter of Shuaib. Due to Zachariah's prayer, Yahya was born. Yusuf remained in jail for 10 years. Yusuf and Yaqub met each other. After 40 years, Yusuf was the son of Yaqub. Yusuf's family was called the Israelites. Real brother of Yusuf was Benjamin. Yusuf was sold as a slave in Egypt. Yusuf had 12 brothers. Yusuf was famous for his beauty and knew facts of dreams. Mother of Yusuf was Rachel. Yaqub lost his eyesight in memory of Yusuf. Nation of Shuaib committed embezzlement in trust. Shuaib called speaker of the prophets Khatibul Anbiya. Khatibul Anbiya. Shuaib got blinded for weeping over and destruction of his nation. Elias prayed for nation. It rained. After a period of 312 years, Uzair resembled all copies of Torah. Talut was father-in-law of Daud. Daud was good player of flute. Fountain of copper flowed from Suleiman. Woodkeeper conveyed Suleiman's message to Saba queen. Yunus remained in fish for 40 days. King Hardus ordered the execution of Yahya. Politus on Roman governors ordered tried execution of Isa. Daud is called as Najibullah. In Quran, 10 commandments are named. Amir Ashram, teacher of Hakim Luqman, was Daud. Prophets lifted alive Isa, Idris, and Ilyas. Idris was directed to migrate by Allah to Egypt. Idris was the first man to learn to write. Idris was taken alive to heavens at the age of 365 years. Gnostics regarded Sish as a divine emanation. आगे है जी Gnostic means Scythians and inhabited Egypt. Idris was sent to Gnostics. Idol worship was forbidden by Idris to people. Idris was special friend of one of the angels. एक सेकंड निदान अच्छा जी आगे है idol worship was forbidden by Idris to people. Idris was special friend of one of the angels. Idris remained in fourth heaven. Idris died in the wings of angel. Pigeon was sent for the search of land by Noah. Sam, Ham, and Rafias were the children of Noah. Bani Ad settled in Yemen. Shaddad was famous king of Bani Ad. Glorious place near Aden built by Bani Ad was known as Garden of Iram. आगे है जी शद्दाद kingdom was extended to Iraq. A violent storm was sent to Bani Ad. Grave of Hud is at Hazarmout. Oman, Yemen, and Hazarmout are in South Arabia. In Rajab, Arabs visited the grave of Hud. Bani Samud lived in Wadi al-Quran and Wadi al-Hijr. Wadi al-Quran, Wadi al-Hajar are in Syria and Hijaz. Volcanic eruption was sent to Bani Samud. Contemporary of Ibrahim was Lut. Hud was uncle of Ibrahim. A dreadful earthquake was sent to people of Lut. Native area of Ibrahim was Mesopotamia. Surname of Terah was Azar. Father of Yaqub and Esau was Ishaq. Father-in-law of Yaqub was Yaqub. Ishaq is buried in Palestine. Age of Ishaq when he was blessed with twins was 60 years. Yunus was the twin brother of Yaqub. Prophet bestowed with kingship of Allah. Daud was a soldier of Talut. Daud lived in Bethel Laham. Talut was also known as Saul. Daud is buried at Jerusalem. Youngest son of Daud was Suleiman. Mother of Suleiman was Saba. Suleiman ascended the throne of Judea. Suleiman was a great lover of horses. The ruler of Yemen in the time of Suleiman was Saba. Hud is informed Suleiman about the kingdom of Yemen. Saba means Bilqis, whose kingdom came under a famine in the times of Elias, king of Ahab. King of Ahab. Elias' nation worshipped idol named Lal. अच्छा जी नेक्स्ट है Elias disappeared mysteriously. Successor of Elias was Al-Yasa. Cousin of Al-Yasa, who was prophet, was Elias. Uzair remained died for 100 years. For 18 years, Ayub suffered from skin disease. Real name of Zulkifl is Isa and Kharkil bin Tori. Yunus died in Nainiv. Father of Yahya was Zachariah. Trustee of Hakel was Zachariah. Zachariah hid himself in the cover of the tree and was cut into two pieces by Jews. Maryam lived at Nazareth before Isa's birth. Maryam migrated to Egypt after Isa's birth. Number of Hawarin of Musa was 12. Jews and Romans were worried about Isa's influence. Tao's real name was Abar. Asanul Qasas is the life history of Hazrat Yusuf. Nabachun Tazir was ruler of Babylon. He founded Hanging Garden, which is one of the wonders of the world. Kedar was one of the sons of Ismail who stayed at Hijaz. Idris used the first when four Ambiya are still physically alive. They are Isa and Idris in the skies and Khizr and Ilyas are on the earth. आगे है जी बैटल्स ऑफ इस्लाम एमसीक्यूज फर्स्ट गजवा इज विदान और अब्वा इन 1 हिजरी 624 बैटल ऑफ बदर 2 हिजरी 625 बैटल ऑफ उहद 3 हिजरी 626 बैटल ऑफ रजई 4 हिजरी 627 बैटल ऑफ खंदक अहजाब 5 हिजरी 6 to 8 ट्रीटी ऑफ हुदैबिया हजरत खालिद बिन वलीद accepted Islam conquest of Khyber 6 हिजरी 6 to 9 Battle of Mota preaching of Islam various kings 7 Hijri 630 Battle of Hunain conquest of Makkah 8 Hijri 631 Battle of Tabuk 9 Hijri 632 Hijjatul Wida 10 Hijri 680 Tragedy of Karbala 61 Hijri Badr is a village. Battle of Badr was fought on 17th Ramzan. Battle of Uhud was fought on 5th Shawwal. 5th Shawwal. Battle Badr Ghazwa is named as Furqan. Uhud is a hill. Yomul Furqan is called to Yomul Badr. Fateh Mubin is called Sulh Hudaybiyah. Number of soldiers in Badr Muslim 313. Kufar 1000. आगे है जी आफ्टर बदर कंक्वेस्ट प्रॉफिट स्टेड फॉर 3 days देयर बदर वाज फॉट फॉर 3 times मार्टायर ऑफ बदर मुस्लिम्स 14 कुफार 70 लीडर ऑफ द कुफार इन दिस बैटल वाज अबू जहल नंबर ऑफ मुस्लिम्स मार्टायर्स इन द बैटल ऑफ उहद 70 इन उहद कुरैश were led by Abu Sufyan. In Uhud, number of Muslim soldiers 1000, Kufar 3000. Azab mean allies ditch dug on border of Syria with help of 3000 companions in 2 weeks. Muslim strength 1600. Khyber was captured in 20 days. During Ghazwa Bani Nuzair, wine was prohibited. The Battle of Khandak is also known as Battle of Azab. Conquest of Makkah was took place on 20 Ramzan. Battle in which Prophet not participated is known as Syria. Hazrat Hamza was the first commander of Islamic army. In Uhud battle, Muslim women participated. Firstly, Battle of Mota was the first known Arab war. 3,000 was the number of Muslims at the Battle of Dij. 10,000 at the conquest of Makkah, 30,000 at the time of Tabuk. Last Ghazwa Tabuk. For 20 days, Prophet stayed at Tabuk. Total number of Sirayas is 53 or 56. Prophet was the commander in the expedition of the book. First Islamic non-Arab was Battle of Mota 8 Hijri. The person killed by the Holy Prophet was Ubay bin Khalf in Battle of Uhud. The 10th of Holy Prophet were martyred. Khalid bin Walid was titled Allah in Saifullah in Battle Mota. Abu Jahl was killed in Battle of Badr by Maz Ad. In Hudaybiyah, Suhail bin Amr represented Quraysh. Battle of Hunain fought between Muslim and Hawazin tribe. Battle of the Book was migrated the Roman Imperial Hercules. The first Shaheed martyr was Ammar bin Yasir. First female martyr Sumayya, mother of Ammar bin Yasir. The first person to be martyred in Battle of Badr was the freed slave of Hazrat Umar Mujahid. आगे है जी खालिद बिन वलीद was removed from service in the reign of Hazrat Umar Farooq रज़ियल्लाहु anhu. He was removed in 17 Hijri. Battle of Chains was fought between Persian and the Muslims. Umar bin Abdul Aziz is considered as fifth Khalifa. Abdul Malik was the poet ruler of Umayyah. Karbala took place on 10th Muharram 61 H 680 AD. Salahuddin Ayyubi was of Abbasid density. आगे है जी Halaku Khan came to power after Abbasids. Al Qanun was written by Ibn Sina. Ibn Khaldun is called founder of sociology. Takaful Tahftul al Falsafa was written by Al Ghazali. Halaku Khan sacked Baghdad in 1258 AD. Al-Shifa, a book on philosophy, was written by Ibn Sina. Prophet stayed at Mecca for 53 years in and Medina in 10 years. Mubah, an act which brings neither blessing nor punishment. Naval commander of Islam Abu Qais under Hazrat Usman. Battle of Camel was fought between Ali and Hazrat Aisha. Hazrat Khalid bin Walid accepted Islam in 8th age. Hazrat Ali established Baitul Mal during the Khilafat of Umar and Iran was conquered. Abu Huraira has reported largest number of hadiths. Masjid al-Aqsa is the first mosque ever built on the earth. Hind was conquered during the reign of Walid. Kharajat is the earliest act of Islam. Battle of Yarmouk was fought in 634 AD. Khyber conquest made in 7th Hijri. 6 to 8 AD, the Ghazwa in which the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, missed four prayers was Ghazwa Khandak. First woman martyr Samia by Abul Jahl. First man martyr Haris bin Abi Hala. Jihad means to strive hard. Jihad made obligatory in 2 Hijri. The battle was forbidden in Arabs in the month of Muharram. Ghazwa Badr is named as Furqan. Uhud is located near Medina. Uhud is 3 miles from Medina. Abdullah bin Ubay accompanied with 300 men, 50 archers posted to protect to pass in Uhud mountain. Hakim was granddaughter of Abu Jahl. Banu Nazir tribe settled in Khyber after expelled from Medina. Prophet dug a trench along the border of Syria. 3,000 men dug the ditch. In Battle of Ahzab, a piercing blast of cold wind blew. Khyber is located near Medina at 200 km distance. The center of Jewish population in Arabia was Khyber. Against Khyber Muslim army was 1600 men strong. Khyber was captured in 20 days. Khyber is located near the border of Syria. Mota was situated in Syria. Army of 3,000 men was sent to Mota under Zayd bin Haris. After the death of Zayd bin Haris, Hazrat Jafar was made the army leader at Mota. आगे है जी अंडर खालिद लीडरशिप बैटल ऑफ मोता वाज वॉन Battle of Mota took place in 8 Hijra. Tribe of Khuzah joined Muslims after Treaty of Hudaybiyah. Battle of Hunain was fought in 8 Hijra. Muslim army was for Hunain was 14,000. Siege of Taif was led in 9 Hijri. Tabuk expedition took place in 9 Hijri. In 9 Hijri there was famine in Hijaz. In 9 Hijri there was scarcity of water in Medina. In Quran, Tabuk expedition is called expedition of strenuous conquest of Makkah is called Amul Fatah. Ghazwa Tabuk was fought in 9 Hijri. Hazrat Abbas was made prisoner of war in Badr. Abu Jahl was killed by Maus and Maz, the leader of Tir Andaz at Jable Yahnain. In the Battle of Uhud was Abdullah bin Jabir. Commander of infield in Uhud was Abu Sufyan. Battle of Tabuk came to an end without any result. 2 weeks were spent to dig the Dutch ditch. In a battle of trench, Hazrat Safiya killed Ajiu. Kamuz temple was conquered by Ali during Khyber War. For Battle of Tabuk, Abu Bakr donated all his belongings. In the Battle of Ditch, the war wrestler named Umar bin Abd Bahad was killed by Ali. In Hunain, Muslims were in majority then to the other enemy. Hazrat Jafar was martyred in Mutawar. In Tabuk Ghazwa, Muslims returned without a fight. Ghazwa Vidan was fought in the month of Zilhaj. In Hunain battle, Prophet was left alone. The participants of Battle of Badr were bestowed with highest reward by Allah. In Badr, martyrs were Muhajirs 6 and Ansars 8. In the Battle of Taif, catapult was used first time by Muslims against the Syrian tribe. The Battle of Al-Ghabba was waged. First Syria Ubaidah bin Haris was fought at Rabka in 1 Hijri. Last Syria Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqas was fought at Syria in 11 Hijri. आगे इस्लाम एमसीक्यूज हैं, इसको अगले लेक्चर में करेंगे. अभी के लिए इनफ है, 1 घंटा हो गया. कोशिश मेरी थी कि ये पूरा कर लो, लेकिन अभी ये हाफ में है, यानी कि 1 घंटे की और वीडियो बनेगी सिर्फ और सिर्फ इस्लामियात के एमसीक्यूज के ऊपर. ये टोटल इसके पेजेस 101 हैं और अभी तक सिर्फ 11 पेजेस हुए हैं. तो मज़ीद कोशिश करूँगी कि ये सारे अगर 101 पेजेस की मैं वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर सकूँ, मतलब अलग अलग लेक्चर में, तो इंशाल्लाह कोई भी जीके का पेपर जो है ना वो आपका पास हो जाएगा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग. अल्लाह हाफिज़.